Okay, guys, welcome back to session once again. So we are discussing the numerical. We are discussing numerical. Okay, we are discussing one numerical. That is a design of a. We're discussing design of knuckle joint. So this is the given data current problem. Design a knuckle joint to transmit 150 kilonewton. The design stresses. Sigma T value is given. Sigma C is given. Tau value is given. So as we discuss our step 1, what is our step 1? Our step 1 is failure of the solid rod in tension. Failure of solid rod in tension. So using this one, we have equation that is sigma T is equals to P upon area. So once we'll do this one, we can take P is equals to sigma T into area, sigma T into pi by 4 d square is equals to P. So P value is given how much? 150 Newton is equals to, I will convert this into Newton, is equals to pi by 4 d square into sigma T. How much it is given? 75 megapascal. So I will write 75. So using this equation, how much d value we are getting? Just tell me the d value answer.
Sir, direct to P equal to pi by 4 into d square into sigma t వేసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్.
Right.
ఇక్కడ ఉందిగా సార్ P ఈక్వల్ టు వచ్చేసి 150 into 10 క్యూబ్ వేసుకొని చేయొచ్చు.
Right. 150 10 raised to power 3.
మళ్ళీ sigma t into a.
Sigma T into a area I wrote here as pi by 4 d square.
Okay.
This is area pi by 4 d square. This is sigma T. Sigma
Okay.
T is given here. Area is pi by 4 d square. Area is equals to pi by 4 d square. I will write here. So using this, just tell me the d answer, how much you are getting first. Then we'll proceed for the some values given, some relationship d with d1, d2, d3, d4. We already written. Same we have to proceed. So d cost how much you are getting?
50.46
50.46
mm.
right? Okay. So you are getting d is equals to 50.46 mm. So we can take this one value as 52 mm also. Okay. We can take this value as 52 mm also. Okay, first we got this one. Now we will come for the relations. So we already written some relation. In that, first we will see that diameter of knuckle pin. Diameter of knuckle pin is equals to how much? D1 D1 is equals to D. We already wrote the relation. So based on that, we will get 52 mm. Second one. Second one, what is their second one? Second one is the outer diameter of eye. Outer diameter of eye, which is equals to D2 is
सर
equals to twice D. हाँ, follow.
सर ये 154440 सर कहाँ से है सर?
1
सर ये वाला जो है सर,
कौन सा?
सर ये वाला
हाँ, ये ऐसे होगा 150 किलो न्यूटन दिया है ना यहाँ पे. कितना दिया देखो यहाँ पे.
हाँ
150 किलो न्यूटन
हाँ
दिया है. इतना दिया है. उसको न्यूटन
150
में कन्वर्ट कर दिया मैं. 150
अच्छा
to
अच्छा
10
हाँ
raised to power 3
यस सर हाँ
न्यूटन हो गया वो. P इज इक्वल टू
यस
उतना
सर
न्यूटन हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
Okay, so after this, once you got D value, we'll find out the diameter of knuckle pin. We got this one, D1 equals to D. Second one, outer side diameter of the eye, D2 is equal to 2 times D, so 2 into 52, it will become 104 mm. Okay, then
Sir,
third,
D2 equal to 100. Sir.
huh?
D2 equal to 100.
Why? I took D is equals to 52 mm. So 2
I
into
take only
52.
50.
If you took 50, no problem. You will take no problem. I took 52.
D3 75.
No,
Okay, sir.
I took D is equals to 52 mm. So after
Okay,
this, we will get a diameter of knuckle pin. Diameter of knuckle pin head and collar is equals to D3 is equals to 1.5 D is equals to 1.5 into 52. It is equals to 78 mm. Okay. After this, fourth one will go. Fourth one is your thickness of the single eye rod. Thickness of the single eye or rod end. This is equals to T. This is equals to 1.25 times diameter is equals to 1.25 into 52. This will give you 65 mm. Then we'll come for the fifth one. We'll find the thickness of fork. Thickness of the fork is equals to T1 is equals to 0.75 times diameter. This will give you 0.75 into 52. This will come out as half of this one.
39 sir.
9 mm.
30.
Then we will go for the next. Is our thickness of pin head. Thickness of the pin head, which is equals to T2 is equals to 0.5 times diameter is equals to 0.75 into 52 is equals to 26 mm. Is it okay? So these are all our dimensions what we are going to take for the further calculation process. Is it okay? Now we'll come for the
Sir, 0.75 into 52 में 26 नहीं आता सर 39.
हाँ ओके ओके 1 मिनट, यहाँ पे गलत हो गया. 1 मिनट. थैंक यू. Zero 0.5 into 52 is equals to 26 mm. Thank you.
Yes sir.
So now first step is over. Now we'll come for the second step. So our step, what is second step? Second step honors, we have to just check the
Failure
sigma
of the knuckle joint pin shear.
we have to check all the sigma t's, tau and all values. So we'll come for the failure of the knuckle pinion shear. Failure of the knuckle pin in shear. So we have the equation P is equals to, we are taking here, it is subject to double shear, pi by 4 d1 square into tau. So here already we got d1 value. Where is d1 value? Here already we have d1 value from here. Just take value and put here. How much tau you will get? Just tell me. P is this one, is equals to 2 into pi by 4 into d1 is 52 whole square into tau. Now tell me tau is equals to how much you are getting from here. Just tell me the tau value.
35.31 Newton per mm square.
Okay, it is coming out 35 point, how
31
much?
Newton per mm.
31 Newton per mm square. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
this tau and whatever tau we got, now this tau, that is a 30. Now this tau value, that is our 35.31 is less as compared to our given tau value, that is a 60. Is it? So it
Yes,
is,
sir.
so d1 value is
Safe.
safe. So we can say d1 value is safe from here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll come for the second one. So first one is this one
Third
is over.
one.
That is third one will come now. So first step is over, second over. Now we'll come for the step number 3. What is step number 3 ours? We have to check the failure of single eye rod in tension. Failure of single eye or rod end in tension. We have to check this one. So for this we have one formula. What is formula? P is equals to d2 minus d1 into t into sigma t. Now using this one, find out sigma t value from here. 150 10 to the power 3. d2 how much we got? 104 minus 52. T value we got 65 mm into 65 into sigma t. From there, just find out the sigma t, how much you are getting from here. Just find out sigma t value.
Sir, sigma 4 equal to 44.37.
44.37. Okay. Sigma t, it is coming out 44.37, huh?
Yes, sir.
37 Newton per mm square. Now you can see from here, this is 44.37, your value is less than what is given value of sigma t. Sigma t value is given 75. So
Yes, sir. Design is
our
safe.
D2, D1, T safe from here we can say. But basically we'll go for here T and D2 value only. So D1 already we got safe here. So here from onwards we can say D2 value, our D2 value and T value are safe for further design process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll come for the fourth one. This is third one is
Failure
over.
of
Fourth one will come for the failure of the single eye or rod end in shear. Now this is over in tension. Now we'll come in shear. Failure of single eye or rod end in shear. We'll see in shear now. So same formula we have to use. P is equals to D2 minus D1 into T into tau. So how much tau you will get from here? You will get same tau. Tau will come out, same value will come out 44.37 Newton per mm square. Same value to come out because everything is same, only you are taking tau. So from here you can say that 44.37 is less than actual tau. How much? Actual tau is 60. So safe. Got it?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. So after this, we will see what is our fifth step now. Fifth, what is fifth? Failure of a single eye in crushing. Now this is over in tension over, shear over. Now we'll see in crushing.
Crushing.
Crushing value, how much value will come for crushing? Same
Crushing
value will
also
come?
same, sir.
Same value,
Yes, sir.
right. Rod end in crushing. Crushing also will come same value. P is equals to D2 minus D1 into T into sigma C. From there we'll get sigma C is equal to same value 44.37 Newton per mm square, right? Is it? So from here also we can conclude that 44.37 is less than the given sigma C value. How much? 150 megapascal. So for crushing our whatever we took, it is safe. Clear? Now we'll come for the sixth step. Sixth one is failure of the fork end in tension. Failure of fork end in tension. Okay, for this, what is our formula?
P equal to D2 minus D1 into 2T1 into sigma
Right.
T.
We have P is equals to D2 minus D1 into 2 into T,
Sigma
T1
1.
into sigma T.
Sigma 1.
Sigma T A1 neo.
OT.
Then from here we'll take 150 into 10 raised to power 3 is equals to कितना है D2? D2 है 10. Our D2 value is 104 minus D value is 56. Minus D value is 56. Okay.
Sir, 52 का sir D value.
D value 52. 52. Sorry. D value is your 52. And after this we can put 2 into T1. How much we got?
P1 65.
T1 39
Wait, sir.
into sigma T. From
Ah,
here
yes,
we'll
sir.
get
Yes.
one sigma T value. From there tell me one sigma T value how much you are getting.
65. Sigma T. Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
We need to find out sigma t value from there.
$36.98.
Okay.
36.98, sir.
So we are getting 36.98 Newton per mm square. Okay. We got this value. So based on this, you can see here 36.98 is less than our given sigma t. How much sigma t is given actual?
Sigma T equal to given actual. Wait, sir.
75 megapascal.
75.
So
Yes, sir.
we can
Reason
make
is
here
safe.
safe. Okay. Similarly, we'll check for the intention now over for failure of fork and intention. Now we'll come for the shear once again. We'll come for the failure of fork end in shear with the same formula.
Sir, same answer also, sir.
Same answer also. That's why d2 minus t1 to t1 into tau. So we'll get tau is equals to 36.98 megapascal. Again, it is less, so we'll say it is safe. Okay. After this, we will come for the last one. That is a failure of fork end will come for the failure of the fork end in crushing. Okay. Again, same equation will come d2 minus d1 to t1 into sigma c. So sigma c value will come out 36.98 megapascal. And here you can write as this value is less as compared to this one, this is safe. Is it okay? This is the design procedure for the knuckle joint. Now at last we have to make the statement. At last we have to give one statement from the above. We can say here from the above observations or calculations, the induced stresses are less than the given allowable working stresses. So the knuckle joint is safe. Is it? Got it?